Paolo? Paolo? What are you doing? You can't sleep. We have to explain how our courses work. Come on, lazy bones. You've finished all the courses. You're an expert by now. No, Paolo, that's not clear. There's much more to say. Let's explain everything well. Where are you going? Always with your computer. Great, Paolo. So, you've purchased a course and now you've received a confirmation email. And by clicking on the Go to Course button and logging in, you have found yourself in the private area with the course already available. Now all that remains is to begin the course, starting with lesson number 1. For better understanding and convenience, you can activate the subtitles and use the chapters to move quickly from one topic to another. Now the crucial part. Paolo, show us. So, first of all, download any programs and drawings. You will need to keep them handy as you work through the course. Now you can finally press play and watch the lesson. What are you doing? Making yourself comfortable? We haven't finished yet. During the lesson, if this message appears, it means that you will have to rely on the Machine Builder's Manual. If this message appears, it means that you will find more information in the Additional Info section. When you have finished watching the video, complete the lesson and you will then have access to the next one. What? Did you forget this step? It's the most important one of all, the certification. Don't be sad, Paolo. You did very well. Of course, Paolo, you can rest. But for those who are watching this video, don't forget to leave us some feedback. Your opinions are important to us. Isn't that right, Paolo? Great, Paolo. You've been helpful this time too. Always a bit lazy, but you have been good.